how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. If you wish to fix the Messenger notifications, any sort of issue you might be facing, first of all, check if you've muted a certain person. So if you're not only receiving messages from one person, but you're receiving from others, you can long press on the chat with someone, check if you've muted them, and if you have, make sure to tap on this unmute button that is available. Now, you can also tap on the menu icon from the bottom right, then tap on settings from the very top. Now from here, you can simply go to notifications and sound and make sure that everything else is turned on. Similarly, you must also open settings on your Android or iPhone, then simply go to the option called notifications. Here, you can scroll down to apps list and you want to look for Messenger and ensure that you've enabled notifications for the Messenger app. This way you will be able to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.